If you have multiple locations that you're keeping track of within your QuickBooks company file, you can separate things by using their class system. And if you're using QuickBooks Payroll, the way that you separate that out into reporting so that you can keep track of whose payroll hours are in what location via classes is by going to the little gear icon up here and then down to Payroll Settings. This is going to bring up all of these payroll settings, and at the very bottom, there is an accounting box. You click the little arrow way over here, and that's going to go to these accounting payroll preferences. And then you'll see if you scroll all the way down here, there's a class tracking section right here. So click the arrow that's on the right-hand side of there, and then it gives you these options right here. Either you don't use classes for payroll, you use the same class for all employees, or what you're probably here for, you click the different classes for different employees. Then for every employee, which I'm going to gray my employees out, but for every employee, you're going to have these little arrows on the right-hand side that you click, and it will have the drop-down list of all the classes that you have created with which you can choose from them where you want that payroll to be allocated. So if you've got Store A and Johnny works at Store A, you click Store A under Johnny's name here. And if Susie works at Store B, same thing for Store B. So that's how you set it up so that your reporting is nice and clean, and you can do it all in one company file if you have a few locations using these classes. If that was helpful, click the like button. Let me know if you got more QuickBooks or other questions in the comments below. I also make tech tutorials and review content like this all the time. Started out with just spreadsheets. Now we do a lot of other stuff too. If that sounds interesting, I would love to have you subscribe to the channel.